I remember when I was young fellow, I couldn't perform well in my exam. I came at home. I kept on crying. I was asked by my mother, "Why are you crying?" Then I told her, I couldn't perform well in my exam. Now I won't be topper of my class. So she said, "It's okay, let it go." But it was just stuck in my mind. I wanted to be identified as a topper. And ironically, in which school I used to study, she was principal of that school. So she made me cheat in that exam. So from that incident, I made assumption in my mind that I have to be identified as a topper. I have to be called topper. Till my 10th grade, I kept on performing profoundly in my academics. After that, when I joined the institute for my further studies, I was surrounded by those students who used to have a better understanding than me, who used to perform and score high than me. So I started feeling insecure about myself. I started having a jealousy from those students who used to perform well. I was less focused on my performance and I was more focused on other one's performance. As a result, I couldn't perform well in exam and I failed in that exam. From that incident led me toward introspection. After observing my actions and my thought process, I found that the reason of my misery was comparison. The reason of my failure was comparison. So I'm gonna share with you 5 reasons why shouldn't we do comparison. Before telling you why shouldn't we, I'm gonna share with you why do we compare. I think we compare when we see people around us who are having more materialistic things than us, who are getting more appreciation and recognition than us, then we start comparing. We start comparing when we do not have a clarity about our needs. We start comparing when we do not have any concrete goal in our life. We start comparing when we start working on other one's dreams, other one's ideas. Then we leave that work in midway and we do not get that consistency in that work. And then we start believing that we can't do anything. Now let me start my first reason. When we compare, to whom we are comparing, he or she has been nurtured in very different environment. They have different dreams, they have different hobbies, they have a different ideology. Then how can we be like someone? Aren't we disrespecting of Almighty who made us unique, but we want to be like someone? That need to be thought. My second reason is that when we compare, we always focus on what people have achieved. We never see how they have achieved. We never see their determination, their discipline, their hard work, their failures, their curiosity. We just see what they have achieved. That's why we get influenced by them, not inspired by them. My third reason is that when we compare, we always focus on others. We never focus on ourselves. We never try to unleash our potential. We never try to find what we want to do. We never try to fight from that enemy who lies inside us. We keep on focusing outside. So that's why we shouldn't do comparison. My fourth reason is that when we compare, we just kill the joy of our achievement. We become too much pessimistic about our life. We stop showing gratitude for what we have and we start complaining for what we do not have. We stop counting our blessings and it's create real misery in our life. That's why we shouldn't do comparison. My fifth, last but not the least, reason is that when we compare, we want to be better than someone. If we become better than someone, then for sure, because our reason, our driven force was to become better than someone, then we will have arrogance, we will become self-centric and we will try to put other one down. And we will be insecure about our position. And to hold that position or that status, we will try to put other one down. And if we couldn't become better than someone, then what will happen? We will have a jealousy and we will start believing that fact that we are ordinary and we can't do anything. So that were the 5 reasons I shared with you. Now I am gonna share with you some solutions through which you can get rid of from comparison. My first solution is that start taking care of your emotional diet. Whatever you are letting go in your mind is gonna determine your way of thinking, your way of speaking and your way of living. In that era where we are living, it's too much crucial that we must aware about that fact that what we are letting go in our mind. My second solution is that try to find a work which you love to do, which you like to do. Try to find a meaning in your work. Try to find a reason that why you are starting that work. Because whatever you are gonna start, if you would not have a concrete reason, then for sure you will leave that work in midway. It will not give you confidence. And if you will start something which is yours, then for sure it will give you confidence, it will give you a belief that you can do each and everything. My last solution is that start working for those people who can't repay you, who can't give you back. Start working selflessly. Because self-esteem is all about the way you feel about yourself. If you will be working for those people who can't repay you, then for sure you will be feeling good about yourself. You will have a gratefulness, and then you will stop focusing on other one. You will stop comparing and complaining. You will start focusing on yourself. So that were the 3 solutions. I will wrap up by a quote. Be the best version of yours, not the second rate of someone else. Thank you.